Exact Track 4D, the Weather Authority's secret weapon against severe storms. The most cutting-edge weather technology in Northeast Florida and South Georgia.
So the big talker this weekend is the air show. I would imagine it's going to be a nice day for that, and a lot of people are going to be out and about, a lot of walking in situations like this.
Yeah, I was out there earlier this week with Khalil, and he and I had so much fun walking around, checking out all the static aircrafts, watching the Blue Angels fly in, and got to talk with some of the pilots and the crew, which was really exciting. And now 300,000 people will be able to do some of that today. You know, it's going to be a great day for an air show, a bit on the windy side. So you're going to want to hold on to your hats for sure and pack a poncho just in case of a stray shower.
Good tips.
All right, good tips. All right, here we go. Here's a look outside from our Artiga cam. The black part at the bottom of your screen is our St. Johns River. And then our lovely view of downtown Jacksonville right now in black and white, kind of giving you that lovely Ansel Adams look, if you will. And then once the sun rises in about an hour or so, we'll start to see this light up as well. I do want to tell you about the rip current statement that is out until the 21st, which is Monday, really. All through the weekend, we have a high chance of rip currents along our area beaches with some gusty winds coming in from the northeast. So very dangerous conditions at our beaches. Most swimmers should stay out of the water. So high tide will come up right around 10 o'clock at Jacksonville Beach, and then the river tide is just around noon today. And there'll be a lot of boats on the river today, especially going to watch the air show from the riverside. All right, here we go. Temperatures across the area pretty nice this morning. It's fall, folks, and we are feeling it, and it feels great. So we have some mid to upper 50s out to the west and in southeast Georgia, some 60-degree weather inland right around the river, and a little bit warmer out by our area beaches, and temperatures will go up. So southeast Georgia, you folks are going to be mostly dry today. It's going to be very pleasant, some high clouds in your area, and temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Along our beaches, a little bit on the mid to 70 range with a gusty winds, of course, coming in. You know, really, that's going to be the factor here. Could be blowing in some light shower activity as well for folks along the beaches throughout the afternoon. A little bit warmer west of 95 and east of 75. 80 in Palatka looks to be our hot spot of the day. So just keep that in mind. You might not need a lot of sunscreen, but if you are going to sit outside for long periods of time at the air show, make sure you have some just in case to cover the face, specifically in the arms. All right, Futurecast checking out like this. So this is at 10:15. Some little light shower activity, mostly south of I-10. So north of I-10 is going to be very nice and dry today, but really can't rule out some stray showers. This is at 1:30. So of course, right around here is going to be where we have the air show and just some light rain coming in offshore. So those stray showers could just be annoying throughout the day, not so disruptive, just downpours at times and then moving on out of the way. So this is at 4 o'clock this afternoon, mostly to our south. So keep that in mind when you're heading out today, that you're going to want to keep that poncho or that umbrella handy throughout the day. And then into the overnight hours looks really nice with some high clouds across the area. All right, we talked a little bit about this a while back. Tropical Storm Nadine moving on shore this afternoon through Belize, definitely staying very, very far to our south. And then watching this area, this is another area we've been watching track across the Atlantic. 30% chance, so it's a low chance of any development over the next 2 to 7 days, and it's staying very west through here, staying near the Cuba line. All right, so for today, temperatures will move into the mid 70s for just about everybody with a 20% chance of rain. All right, tomorrow, more of the same, less rain, and then look at the week ahead. Temperatures will move into the low 80s. All right, folks, it's 6:20, and we'll be right back. Stick around.